20-year-old Dana Nelson of Heartsfield, St. Elizabeth, has been reported missing since Sunday, May 3rd. She is of dark complexion, slim built, and is about 152 centimeters, 5 feet tall. Reports from the Malvern Police Station are that Nelson was last seen at home about 8:50 a.m. dressed in a camouflage blouse and a pair of pants. She has not been heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Dana Nelson is being asked to contact the Malvern Police at 876-966-5145, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. Police are searching for at least 4 men involved in a double murder on Hope Road, St. Andrew, Friday afternoon, May 8. The incident of the killers exiting a car in which they later escaped was captured on video. Reports are that the man drove up in a white Toyota car, and 3 of them, 2 armed with rifles and the other with a handgun, immediately entered premises, where they opened fire, hitting at least 2 people. On their way out, they shot a man who was sitting next to the car, who was apparently witnessing the entire situation. 2 of these men died and the other have been hospitalized. One of those shot and killed has been identified as Clifton Jarrett, age 40. Police have not yet given an official report and have not yet stated what the motive was for the gun attack. Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.